Hello and welcome to Motor Match Bolton. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be giving you a full video tour of this 2020 edition Mini Hatch Cooper S Sport that we do currently have in our stock. As you can see, it does come complemented in a classic yet stunning grey exterior, and with just a 2-litre petrol engine, it is ideal as that nippy city runaround. It does also come with 2 previous owners, so in top condition still. For any further information, please give our team a call on 0204 828 619. So complemented on your front grille, you do have your S embroidered badge in there, along with your automatic LED daytime running headlights to ensure you do always have full illumination of the road ahead. And contrasting well, you do have your 17-inch track spoke black alloys, which can also be upgraded to your 18-inch as well. And as we move around to the side of the vehicle, you can see your complementing chrome handles, really giving it that sleek finish. And inside it is a full cloth finish, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. You do have plenty of leg space along with a handy cup holder in the centre. As it is a 2020 edition, it has covered 11,591 miles. Round to your rear, you do have your double exhaust pipe with your chrome finish along with your Cooper S badging to your right. And inside your boot area, you do have plenty of space for all your day-to-day items. You can also pop your back seats forwards as well if you do require further space. And if we take a close look inside your front interior features, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel complemented by your stylish red stitching. Of course, you do have your central display screen with your mini controller located just in the centre there. You do have a handy armrest with, of course, your 2 front cloth seats, again very comfortable for both travelling passengers. And that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So if we now take a seat in the front, I will show you all the top key technology features included. If we start just to your right hand side of your driver's door first of all, you will find all 4 of your electronic window controls along with your outer wing mirror adjustments. You do have your handy central lock-in located just in front of your door handle. On the right hand side of your steering wheel, you will find your audio controls, including your voice recognition, along with your options to navigate around your cockpit screen. You do also have your cruise control and brake function option to your left there. So using the buttons on your steering wheel, you can flip through different radio stations. And using your mini controller located below, you can flip through your central display screen, including your built-in satellite navigation. So this is extremely handy, especially in those unfamiliar areas, as it will also give you your traffic updates and points of interest on there. So it is ideal, especially in the busier periods as well. Moving just across, you do have your media options, including plenty of radio stations, as it does work off your DAB. So as you can see, there are plenty on there. Or if you wish, you can connect your smartphone device and listen to your own preferred music. This will also give you the option to make hands-free safe phone calls. And moving across, you do have all your general settings, including your mini connect. If you pop the car into reverse, it will activate your parking sensors, so it will keep the vehicle in top condition, especially in those tighter spaces. And as we move just below, you do have further audio controls, including your dual climate central controls as well, so you can use the dials either side to alternate your temperature and direction flow. Your 2 front seats are heated and do come with 3 different temperature options, so it is ideal in the winter months. Along with your front and rear heated windscreens, you do also have your central power button for a much more smooth, hassle-free drive. Just behind your automatic gear controls, you do have your central mini controller and plenty of storage under your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0204 828 619 and don't forget to hit the subscribe button just below to keep up to date.